What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. And in today's video, I have a small unboxing for you guys. A lot of you know that the Supra comes with some fake vents like all over the car, and a couple of those fake vents are on the hood. So today we're going to be going over a small product that kind of fixes the issue. It might not really help with the airflow, and I'll show you why that is, but at least it looks a little bit better in my opinion. So we're going to unbox that. I'll show you the product, and then we'll kind of put it on the car and go from there. So enjoy the video. Alright, so in the box, there's not a whole lot. Some bubble wrap. There's one of the hood vents you can kind of see. Here's the second one. And a couple A90 Shop stickers. So let's go ahead and get these out of the bubble wrap. And there they are. Or one of them. Let's see, try to get the camera to focus. So pretty nice quality. I don't see any imperfections on this one. Comes with 3M tape on the back. I would prefer if these actually like clipped in like the OEM ones. What can you do? This is the best we're gonna get. So there's a little bit of 3M tape on the back, and that'll just adhere to the hood. Should stick pretty good. So let's get the other one out and check that one out. Alright, here is the other one. And again, they look really nice, no flaws. Perfect. And the back. You can see the mesh. Looks like it's just kind of like glued on maybe. Melted on there, I don't know. But from this side, looks pretty good. So what we're going to do now is I'll take them down, get the OEM vents out of the car, then put these on and see how it looks. Alright guys, so down here at the car, these are the hood vents that we will be replacing. You can see plastic, clearly fake, and this will be the new one. Get the focus. There we go. So a little side by side. Should look much better. So what we're going to have to do is put our fingers underneath this side here and pry up, and it should come on clip for us, so I'll go ahead and do that now. Alright guys, so that was pretty easy. Actually, I just put my fingers under this side and kind of pulled this way up top. You have a tab here and a tab here, so right there where those two tabs are, kind of pulled this way, and it popped right out, leaving us with this. Earlier in the video, I said these hood vents, replacing them with the carbon fiber ones, it won't really do much besides help the looks of the car, because obviously this doesn't even go to the engine bay. It just kind of has this hollow space in here. What I'm probably going to have to do is every time I wash the car to prevent water getting in there, is I'll just put some blue painter's tape over the top of that mesh and wash the car and then peel it off just to make sure no water gets in there. Now there is some drainage holes, so just in case water got in there, it can drain out. But me being pretty particular, I'll just put blue tape over them and wash the car to prevent any water getting in the hood. So all I'm going to do now is just kind of clean the surface with some alcohol and a cotton ball, pull the 3M tape off and kind of line it up and get it right on there. This is what it'll basically look like when it's done. And that will tie into the carbon fiber mirrors and the wind buffeting kit that I got, and then the spoiler on the back. Alright guys, well, change of plans. The tape that A90 Shop puts on these things is pretty garbage. It does not want to stick at all. So luckily I have some 3M tape upstairs that I'm going to cut, put on the back side of this, and I'm also going to grab a heat gun and just heat it up, and hopefully that'll get it to stick, because I am having a pain, or I was having a pain with that tape right there. It is junk, does not want to stick, so I'm going to give this another shot with 3M. Alright guys, so you can see I went ahead and put my own 3M tape on these, and I'll go ahead and stick these on. Hopefully this time it works better. Alright, well, it took me a little bit longer to get these on than I was expecting due to swapping out the shitty tape. But once I got that 3M tape and the heat gun, these things are sticking pretty nicely. They fit pretty good. They look really good. Ties in all the carbon fiber now. Now I just got to get that whole P-tune kit for the side skirts and front splitter and everything, and that'll pretty much finish up the look of the exterior. Here's another view from this angle. They look really good. I mean, it's a huge difference between OEM plastic and these. Well guys, that's going to do it for today's video. I hope you enjoy this content. If you do, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. I've got another mod on the way from A90 Supra that will change the look of the interior completely. So hopefully that's here in another week or two. So we'll definitely be doing a video about that mod. But anyway, if you like these hood vents, carbon fiber hood vents, check out A90 Shop. That's where I got mine from. Or that's where my girlfriend got them for me from. And anyway guys, hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.